Okay, so yeah, I was here. So default value is -1 if we are coming from the backward direction. So what is the backward direction? So if we are coming from backward direction, it is always from -1, -2, -3, -4. So always that is the note is given. So default is -1. Default value for end is length of the string minus. See, length of the string is total is 6 minus you put. So you will get the yeah. So you will, while doing programming, we have already seen programming. All these logics will come to handy. Today also I'll do. You should understand. Okay, to get the length of the string, total string from the positive direction, length of the string -1. From the behind, length of the string minus. So step operator, start, end, step operator is there. All these things we have seen, and there is a recording. Please, I would have expected you should have understand all these things. Okay, and we have done yesterday. And you know, like the simple thing, like with string we can also do concatenation. We can also do multiplication. Like if I do Python into 3, what I will get? If I do here a simple thing equal to, if it is a string, is equal to,
Screen not visible.
screen is not visible. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay, I have not shared the screen. 1 second. Okay, second. What happened to this? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now is it visible? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, yeah. So if it is a Python, so if I do s into 3, what I'll get? Print of a. That means we can multiply the string and it gets as a repetition. Okay, we have done this. I am repeating all these things. Python, 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 because these questions are definitely asked. Okay, okay, I mentioned screen is not visible. Okay, so you know this, we can do repetition, concatenation. Okay, so that is what we have done, and we have written a logic how to get the forward direction data. You know, I should be 0. You give like this means everything. I have not given 0 to last string length of thing. If you just give one colon means start to end, one more colon represents the step operator, and this colon is for any for or if loop. At the end we give this, you know that. So you'll get everything in the positive direction, and backward direction, you know, -1. Only the step operator I have given. Start to end it will take everything and start from -1. There are multiple ways to get forward and backward direction. One was using the string slicing, and one more was using like while loop. Okay, these things preliminary, see, these things you will understand when you know. Or simply you can't say, sir, why you took length of s, why you took I equal to 0. These are the preparatory that I understand by tracing like this. Okay, first any string will start with 0. Okay, that's why let me give I equal to 0, and length, I need length of total thing, so that I can do the coding of getting the positive thing and negative thing. Always coding is not doing here. Coding is just understanding the logic. To understand the logic, I can do this in Java, I can do it in Scala, I can do in R, I can do in Python, wherever. If you just mug up this and do, it's very difficult. You have to trace the logic behind. That's what I am trying to say. Okay, so yeah, we have spent a lot of good time in this. I hope you know this. Again, I will revisit today because we have good programming questions. Okay, we can check whether the character of the string is member of the string or not. This is simple. This is a membership operator where it says whether any letter or word is present in the string, whether D in S, H in S. Okay, yeah, this is very good because we use it in the office. Like, I don't want some data in a huge data. I do like some pattern I don't need. Then that pattern don't get at all. Okay, so same thing, like whether a given string is present in the main string or not. So we have done this, we have got a main string, in that whether we have a small string. So if that is there, if substring means what, a small data, like you would have put here like Python new, this is a main string, and you will just check whether new is present in substring or not. So what it is trying to say, whether if substring in s, that means whether in the complete Python new you do have new. If it is there, it will come into here and print, or else it goes to the else. Okay, so comparison of string I have told ANSI does, like there is a behind ANSI code, so with that it compares whether both are equal, not equal. Okay, it goes with the alphabet. Like you have Mahesh. Last week we did this, right? We have something like this. When we run this, okay, so you get Mahesh and you do Anil. So why first string is less than second string? Because A has the greater ANSI than M. So first string is less than the second string. You can check that ANSI code and all, which we had showed you last week, and also I had given you that link of ANSI code. So these are simple. All this becomes very handy, because we will be, as soon as you are coming to the big data thing, right? I will also have couple of slides which I am creating also. So what I will run through that, like after completing the Python. So our data would never be structured. What do you mean by structured? Structure means rows, columns. You have, I started with SQL, right? So always as a data engineer, I love to have a structured data, name, phone number, everything. But the problem is, because today data doesn't come from one way. Data comes from the website, data comes from some mainframe system, data comes from some CSV, JSON and all. Data we will not get like this. And there will be lot of spaces, junk values, all those things. And we need to remove that. We love to get the data like this, name, phone number, and you have a name, John something, and you have some phone number. We don't get the data like that. So we need to again, spaces cost a lot. So one of the functions like stripping will remove all the spaces left and right. There are different functions like upper, lower, all those things we have seen. So this becomes handy function. So I have told you to remove spaces on both the sides. We have seen this simple example. And next, like I just stopped here. Like also like substring slicing, we have another four functions. I mean to say two functions to get from left to right. To find, it gives the what? Position of a given string, find, and also index will also give the position of the given string. If you want to get the position from the backward, so that will be r find, okay, or r index. Okay, there is a small difference which we will see directly going to the practical. Okay, so let us go to the practical and explain you there. So as you know, the syntax would be yes find and substring. Okay, I can also, yeah, so let us see the this is the comment, 1 second. And this is the find function. So let me take a string s equal to learning Python is very easy. Okay, so what happens is I want to find the Python, which is the position Python is there. Simple. There are different ways, you know. Okay, so the I can also use find function, and I'll put here whether I have Python or not. It will give me which position the Python is there. Let me run this. So as soon as you run this, you see like there is a position 9. So you can search where is Python, learning Python. So I will just show in the Excel. Learning space Python. T-H-O-N. So always it will pick the first position. Like if I come here, so I'll just do, it will start with 0, you know, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here, you are able to get which position the Python is there, if it is there. If it is not there, what I will get? So it says 9. So now I'll print a string which is not there. Maybe I'll try to fetch the string which is movie, M-O-V-I. So what I'll get?
minus
Sorry? Yeah,
minus one.
minus 1. So these things you should know, like whenever you are you should not think, last time also I told you, you should not think minus 1 is this one. People will get confused and you will screw up the entire program, because I have some programs with this. Like if you understand, okay, when data is not found, print minus, so you will start thinking minus 1. So that's why I also told to revisit and understand. In using find function, if you get minus 1 means you don't have a pattern called movie in the string s. That is what these things are, the functions. That is how the functions are built, which you should know. Okay, so I can also find a single letter. Okay, see here. So you will come to know. Okay, if I try to get only the letter, okay, I will try to get the letter N. Okay, so if I try to get the letter N, also it gives the position. Gives the position. Can you see here? N is in the fourth position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, N is in the fourth position. Now, what is the difference between R find? If I do R find, what will happen? Same letter, I will do R find. Or tell me what will be the output if in this string learning Python, what I have given. Okay, I'll just take this only. Learning Python I have written, and I have done their R find. What will be the output? You can chat. If you know, also you can chat here. There is no problem. You can chat. Everyone is on the camera. Yeah. Tell me. It's simple. R find will find from the behind. R find will find from the behind means just see the output. Simple. All these functions. I can go to the program and show all these things. You will definitely get confused. So I am just picking a small function. But when we are doing programming, you should understand by itself. So it gave 14. N is in the 14. See, first N gave 4. That means only find will come from left to right. Okay, this gave 14. So 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this R find will search from right to left. So from right to left, which was the first index it saw, it was 14. So it picked up 14. Getting right? I'll give you quick notes. Okay, note, by default, by default find method can search total string. We can specify the boundaries to search. We can specify the boundaries to search. And also, yeah, I had given you this one, right? Yeah, our index will search from the backward direction. Okay, so let me do this in the new today's date. Okay, I'll save it as Python class notes, Python class notes 28. Okay. So now, yeah, we can specify by default find method can we can specify the boundaries in the search. That means I can also do that slicing and dicing, like same thing is equal to learning Python. Now I want only in the range. I don't want to search, because here you see only learning Python, but sometimes you get a text of lakhs of data, lakhs of words or something. So you have some pattern only, or position only this much to this much you have to search. So what you do, you just do this. You just yes dot of find. If you have a, I want to search from 7 to 13, maybe something 7 to 13, 7 to 13. So do we have something from 7 to 13? Forget about all these things. So we have done PyCharm. So it is, see, it is telling string start and end. So it automatically gives you the logic. You are starting and ending. So I didn't give you it this, because I am using a PyCharm editor what in the company developer use. It automatically gives the syntax, like this is your substring. Substring means in the entire string, a part of string you want to search, and from start to end you want to search. From where it has to start, from the length 7, and where it has to end. So I have not given start and end. As soon as I was using PyCharm, it came by itself. That means I have to start from 7 and I have to search till 13. Here where is A? I don't see any A. So whenever you don't have anything, what is the thing it shows? It has to show -1. That is what it has told. Now let me pick up the string which has something. What to say? It is there here. I'll take as T. Okay, or okay, yeah. Anything is there here also, there also. Yeah, I will take simply A. Okay, just for your understanding. I'll take here just for your understanding A, or A, small a. And I'll give the same thing, s dot find string. Okay, start to, okay, now let me run. So I have a, right, from 7 to 13, pythaon, pythaon. So it is 1 minute. I should not get here as -1, because I have taken A. A is there. python. Why it is still coming? pytha. Okay, got it. Why, tell me? 14, 15. What is the issue? So why I am getting -1 in this? Just anyone can explain me. It's a simple thing. Already you guys. It's out of the range, right? See, 13 means what?
String length is
Yeah. Correct. Go ahead. It is n-1. So till here it search, it does not find. That's all. Okay. You know this. Okay. You know this. See, one thing I am seeing, like not everyone here first speak in English. I have seen some people, what happens in the interview, they try to speak in the Hindi and they lose the job, even if you know. So see, there are some procedures to do. Communicate in English. If you are very weak in English, join some Vita course or something. English is very important. They are not looking only the English they want. The reason is we speak with the client. See, my all projects is with US guys only. Okay, so if they don't understand whatever I am speaking, even if I am Einstein, there is no point. It's simple. So the usability. Try to communicate in English, learn English. If you are very weak, and I am not looking for a Cambridge English. If you are very weak here, whatever you learn, if you don't know English, you are out of the game. That is the step 1. Okay, like I say some steps, right? Learn English. See, so it might take 1 or 2 years. You are never too old. Okay, I was seeing some blog yesterday. There are in other countries after there are 41, 42 they become coders. Okay, and I have seen one of the blog where some Japanese old lady at 81 she learned coding and created an application. Never think yourself you are a dummy, you are intelligent, I don't understand. Okay, everyone, only you have to put is hard work. I've already told you. So learn communication, be strong. Okay, it's Python is not difficult as you think. It is simple. Why you feel difficult? Because you don't learn. Why you don't learn? Because you don't enjoy. Okay, one thing you have to do is start loving. Okay, don't do for job sake. If you do for job sake, it's very difficult. Start loving coding, start trying to pick something and do small thing like this. To be frank, I am also learning something because not everything as a developer or an architect I know. In the companies, I don't sit and code. I work mainly on the architect and all. I am brushing up the things and all. Why I am doing? Because not for money. I enjoy doing this. Okay, I like it. Like okay, I am learning something. Okay, I am teaching, so I like it. Okay, with burden I can't do it. Okay, I can't do for burden. Okay, something I'll get from this. Okay, let me sacrifice my weekend all 7 days. It is lot of effort, believe me, like creating notes in a sequence way, and also like lot of things what all to teach, the integration, because cloud and all I can teach you directly, but I'm thinking about projects, how to integrate. There are lot of issues comes and all, which in the companies and all, there are admins who complete it. Okay, so in life you have to love the things. Life becomes very easy. If you don't love the things, anything you do is very hard. Simple thing. Okay, so love the things. There is always thousands of reasons to love the things, believe me, because these jobs will be an eye paying jobs. Eye paying jobs will change your life. You can buy house, you can buy car, marry beautiful girl. Girls also can get a good thing. So it, see, I my life has changed, to be honest, like from different thing to different thing. Life changes. Okay, so you earn well and life keeps on changing, and when life changes you get motivated, okay, to learn new things and all, to challenge yourself. Okay, so confidence grows, willpower comes. So first thing is get the confidence high. Willpower and confidence are the only two things in world you can achieve anything. This is a very simple thing. So obviously you will have a less willpower, confidence. Not for everyone in the class. Don't take it mistake, because I have not seen face to face. Okay, I am generalizing and saying I know people are working, they are hard, and there are different backgrounds. They are struggling. So many things are there. But what happens, no, in the household chores, you will for you can't find time. That is what, see, I also don't find, I have lot of friends here, I go to gym and I do many things, but always I keep this at the top. I can sacrifice anything, even something important is there. See, believe me, like last month my friends had 2 months, yeah, last month, before last month, my friends had planned for Europe, and they are in Europe right now. They will come next week. I sacrificed that because I had committed to this, so I wanted to do this, and it's not like it's a big sacrifice. I'll go next year or sometime as a vacation. Okay, I'm not taking the vacation right now, because it's only because I like to do it. It's not because of any burden I am doing. I don't feel it as burden. Okay, all right, I am doing something. The same attitude I want you guys to build. That's all. Life is very simple here. You build this attitude. You everyday study. You build this attitude. It becomes very easy. Okay. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
So, can you repeat the find function, please, again?
Okay, okay. So see, find function, what happens is it takes from left to right. Simple. Okay, I will repeat. See, find function is there, right? So let us take one string. So okay, let us take Python only. So where is Python? Okay, Python is there here. Again I will add Python. Again I'll add Python. So now it is more easy to understand. So s dot find Python. So it just takes the position of the string. Like learning Python, you have 3 times. So it takes the position, and s find, only find, will take the data from left to right. Left to right means from like this it comes and picks and tells the first position. What is the first position from learning Python? I have already showed you. So it picks from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no Python. Directly the Python comes from the ninth position. So what has happened? So you get the position 9 here. Okay. So next what happens? I want to get something as Python. Next time what I want to get? I have to get the Python. I will use R. What does R does? It checks from left to right. Okay. See here how the things change now immediately. R find takes as let me remove all the thing. It is confusing right now. So I'll take this. I'll take this. Okay. So now as soon as I do R find, so I got 23. Why 23? Because this would be from the behind it is taking. Okay, let us directly do this because I also have some programming on this. So if I let me close this, close. Okay, okay, so Python is there after Python. Okay, so let me delete this. For everything you have to understand this. Okay, after that space is there, do this. After that space is there. Okay, so if I do here just a number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay, 21, 22 or 23, maybe some space or something it is there. Learning, okay, Python, okay, after that Python there should be some space, correct, that's fine. Here I didn't give the space. Control X, Control V. So if you see here on the 23rd position you have the last Python. As soon as you do R find, it comes from here and check where is the Python starting position and it gives 23. Now you are telling I want to, or something, you want this Python now. Okay, so usually like we don't say this Python or this Python, we give the position. Maybe somewhere I want to get, I can also give this range. Maybe if I want to get from somewhere here, I'll take from 15 to 23, whatever. Okay, in the find, okay, let me come to the next find. I will try to put the range. I can put like I want to get the Python, and from where to where I got, I want to get maybe some 15 to last. I 100 something, I'll put like this. So if I do like this, I got 16. 16 means this position. Okay, so I can do in three ways. One is getting the find. Find will take from left to right. One more is R find will take the data from right to left. And one more is you can give the position, same as string. I want to extract a data somewhere between this to this range. Whatever in this range, if you do find, it takes from left to right or it takes from right to left. Got now? Okay. If I want to find two occurrence of n from right and out to, see this is what the two occurrence. Okay, from right hand I think you have to take from R find. R find will take from left to right and you have to give the positions. Okay, like this positions. Okay, usually the file will come and they will tell from this position to this position some data, some pattern is there, you just pick it. That's the exact use cases in the organization. Okay, so you have learned this find function. So let us come to the index. So index also similar to this. Okay, so just know all these functions on the string, always it is important. Index function. So index function, as soon as I do like this, so index method is exactly, okay, index method is exactly same as index method is exactly same as find method, except if the specified substring is not available, you get a error, value error. Okay. Except 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 if the specified substring substring is not available, we will get a value error. We will get a value error. Okay. So let us do a simple example. See, I want to, this is again exceptional handling, because what happens is when I am writing a program like value error comes, it is not a good. Usually all the programs are sequential, like after one goes, the next line goes, next line goes. But something value error comes, it has to ignore and go to the next line. How can we do that? That's why we have like exceptional handling. Okay, so I'll just show you one example for the same thing. So whenever you get some error, it has to move on. Like if you don't have some string, so it should not, it should catch the value error and it has to go to the next string. So something like this, let me do it so you'll understand actually when I do. Okay, so it is also like exceptional handling, because I will not go too much on exceptional handling. I will go to that course when I am doing, but usually no one will ask in interview. But whenever you are working, whenever you want some things, you can. I will go with the basic. I can also take it for a long thing, but that's not required. Like I'll show you how to do 5 6 types of exceptional handling. Okay, we can do like 15 to 20 types of exceptional handling. Like whenever you divide by zero, like catch that division error, okay, and move on, just check that, like that we have some index error, all those things. So let me just go with this. So input, enter the main string. Okay, same, this index is also same as the find method, only difference is you get value error when the string is not there. There you get a -1. Okay, that's all. So substring input is there. Here what you do, enter substring, enter substring, enter substring. Okay, so now try. This is the exceptional handling, like try and except, like whatever the error you get, like n equal to s dot index of substring. Like all substring means something Python you gave in the entire main string. Like you will have a complete string here. Learning Python is very easy. So you give here Python. Okay. Whenever you give here Python, if you get the error, value error, okay, you get something like a value error. I will show you that value error. So what you do, you print substring not found. Okay, n equal to s dot index subs. Okay, value error. Why we are getting this? Yes is there, index substring, try is there. So this is not required. What is the error? Expect or, okay, finally. Okay, wait, let me complete this till I get error. Print substring substring not found, substring not found. Okay, so okay, try except, try is there, except is there, print inside. Maybe some syntax or something. Print substring from, print substring from. The some error, maybe indentation or something, n equal to s. Try except, expect or finally accepted. Yeah, expect is there, value error is there. This is the indentation. Except, okay, value error. So some syntax error. I'll check this exception. This is a part of exception landing. Try expect something. So I'll check this and let you know. Okay, let us do the programs actually. These are the
Wait.
programs. Yeah. What is the error? Okay. All right. So now these are what I am doing. There will be almost 10 12 questions. These are the interview questions. Okay. So for example, one of the question is I want to display a position of a substring in the entire main string. That means let me give the question and explain you. Position of the substring in the given string. Okay, so what does this mean? Like I want to just display the position of the substring in the entire string. 1 second. One minute, give me a minute. Okay, so okay, so I where is the thing? Position of the substring in the given string. So now what is the meaning is I have some string ABC, something like this. ABC, okay, something like this. I have a string. Now I want to find which position ABC is there. So you know ABC is there in which position? Zeroth position is there. Means obviously this is a pattern. Whenever you take the pattern, it will always pick the first position and display. It shows zeroth position first. Next again ABC is there in third position. Right. ABC next time it is there in the third position. Means it starts. After this again if I take, it is there in the ABC 3 plus 3 sixth position. ABC next time it is in the sixth position. So ABC 0 1 2 third position, 3 4 5 sixth position, 6 7 8 9 not in the ninth. Again it has to come ABC pattern from the 10th position, something like this. ABC again it has to come in the 10th position. So I want to get something like this output, like I want to get this present in ABC present in at index 3. Okay, ABC present at index 6, ABC present at index 10, or whatever the position present and this. So this is what in the interview directly the question would be like this: position of the string in the, you have some string, tell me how you get this position. So every time it has to print, first time ABC in the 0 position, next time ABC in the 3rd position, after that it should be in the 6th position, later 10th position. So you have to take all that what we learned, whether it's a while, whether it's a if, whether I told you the find function. So if you know this properly, so you will be able to know. So first thing what you have to learn, if the string is not there, what is the in the find function, if the string is not there, what is the value you get? Just now we learned. See, this is all these things have to come in a mind when you are giving an interview, because in Python it is not a theory question. What is Python? What is find function? What is index function? What is substring? Tell me the syntax. No, they directly give this program. Position of the substring in the given string. That means they might explain you. So I want this position A, this position B, this position 6, because you see like pattern ABC is there. Here A is there in the ninth position, but after that again A comes. So it skips it and takes this. So first thing you have to come is you have to understand the logic. Okay, they are looking. See, this is how you have to write. Okay, this like this it comes. So maybe to get the position, we can use the find function. Okay, this one it comes, and whenever -1 comes in find function, that means string is not found. Obviously we have learned if -1 is there, string is not found. That means this also I have to write in a program. Whenever ABC is not there, if the string was learning Python is very easy and I put ABC, it has to directly come -1 and string not found. Okay, or else it has to go to else part. That means you will have if and else. In if you might give if something what string is not there, it is not available, or else. Okay, next is you have to use some function like what is your substring. This is a string. Okay, okay, all these things you have to run in your mind. To run all these things you have to practice more. See, this is a string, or I'll take it as yes is a string. And what is a substring? SUB. It's just a name. Substring is ABC. Okay, so in this string, whenever this is found, it has to show the position. So use find function. -1 is there, that means this string is not there at all. Okay, go to the else part. This else part logic becomes very important. So what will be the else part function? So find function you already know. Okay, even here only it showed something start, end, everything it showed the syntax like substring is there, after that start is there, end is there. So whenever I was writing the find function, it directly showed, right? Whenever I was doing the find, something like s equal to whatever, and let me take the same string. I'm still not doing the coding, I'm just trying to explain you the logic. Okay, so I just want that what to say, start and find, like whenever I do yes dot find of, okay, so from where to where I find, I have to find, like I give like something ABC. I want to find the string, capital ABC is there. Okay, ABC is there, and from where to where I have to find, I have to start from the beginning, okay, and till the end. Like maybe I can give the start and the end is something like how to get the end, you know that formula, something you use length of s. Okay, length of s -1, so you get the length. See, immediately it came start and end should also come. So that is a syntax. Always you should have substring, you should have a start, and also this will be an end. Okay, so this is how you, all these things have to come in your mind. That's what I am telling. So there will be a substring. Find function syntax means there will be a substring. They want to check ABC and they have to start from the beginning, and they should get till the end. So how to get the end? So length of s -1, something like that. So you will get till the end. Okay, so now let us try to dig further. So what will happen first time? Okay, what will be the high? So high is not -1. Okay, so if I equal to -1, we know the string is not present. I equal to -1 means string does not exist. String does not exist. Now let me in a simple way I take, like in the string I find and I do ABC. Okay, so first time what would be the thing? It is 0. We know it is in the 0th position. Okay, 0. Okay, plus what should be the thing? Okay, it has found first time in the 0 position. Okay, okay, it has found in the 0th position, because I, if it is not -1, it just finds at the first position and it prints. So if it is not in the okay, first position is done. Okay, first position is done, and there will be also, you will have completely length of the string whatever. because it has to search from the first position ABC till the last position. Okay, so second time it comes. Where is ABC? ABC will be in the after the 0, 1, 2 in
Third
the third
position.
position. Understand the positive logic. Okay, so that means again see ABC, it will be in the third position. How third will come? 0 plus 3 will come. How this 3 comes? That you should think and tell me now. Then only you are understanding the logic, or else no point. It's 5 minutes to write the code. At the end I will write length of s whatever. How this 3 automatically come? I understood the logic and wrote. But logically means in the coding how you will do this. First time 0, second time 3. So you will get ABC here whatever. Next time it will be 6. I am understanding and writing here, but program you have to do 0 plus 3 means already 3 will be there. I will be 3. Again, it will do again 3 and check. Okay, after 0, 1, 2, 3, third position ABC, 3, 4, 5, again sixth position ABC. So that means here it will be 3 plus again it counts 1, 2, 3. So finally it will be in the sixth position ABC. So this is how the internally it is displaying happening. So just you have to tell me like how this is happening 3 plus 3, 0 plus 3. For that you have to think and give me a logic. Take some 5-10 minutes. Think and give me that is the only thing you have to learn in this program. That is where the logic is there. So we are getting that you have to just think and tell me. 1 minute I'll just stop sharing. Give me a minute. I'm doing something. So I'll just pass you this logic quickly because now the programs are like this only. You will have like at least 10-15 programs. These programs only will come in interview, means not exactly, means almost similar. Okay, sometimes if you know, learn and understood, maybe the Python 3-4 questions would be the same questions. So I have sent you that, just retrace it. Okay, again I'll explain you. Just think for a minute. So what he is doing, I am able to understand and all. Because I want you to think for 5-10 minutes. Okay, I'll try to get something, or else we only without thinking it's difficult for you also. Difficult for me also to explain you guys. One minute, I'll share the screen. Anyhow, you are thinking on that. I'll give you 5-7 minutes. Okay. So tell me that logic. Anyone can tell me, not a problem, because Understanding this, you know, the syntax is how. Again, quickly I'll show you. I'm not erasing anything. See, syntax for this is, it is always substring, start and end. Okay, so this is a note, like, you know, what is a note, like -1 means, okay, -1 means data not present. This I think everyone has understood. Okay, next is find method gives the indexes of only first occurrences. This also you know. Find method gives the indexes of only first occurrences. Only first occurrences means occurrences. Only first occurrences means ABC, 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 whatever, or ABC, ABC, like this you have. It can also be chain. We will see that later, test it. ABC is in which position? 0th position first time. Second time 0, 1, 2, 3, third position. After that 6th position. After that 9th position. Only the first position it will give. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Again is the third position. 4, 5, 6th position. 7, 8, 9th position. 10, yeah, 9th position. After that 10, 11, 12th position, whatever. So it always gives the first position. Okay, so you already know this, and syntax also you know. Syntax I've already told. Again I can write here as a print, because I am again coming back. S dot find. So substring, you give substring, start, begin and end, begin comma end, begin comma end. Okay, so that means end means you know the logic. Logic of end is end -1. So you already know. Okay, so with this I can also help you again. What will happen? I'll just show you again these things, whatever I have done here. So you want this string, you want to get substring is this ABC. Okay, so in this, if you do what, print of I, what will happen? Okay, what we will do, we will break this and show you the output, because I don't want to give the entire logic. Some logic you have to think and pass me. That becomes important. That's what the logic understanding. So see here what you got. I didn't give anything. Okay, I didn't give anything. Substring is there in this, but I want to give print of I. Okay, I will do this I dot find of ABC. Okay, so we simply, you give substring, you print it, print the entire thing. There is no logic. Okay, so what I will do, I will do I equal to s dot find of, because now I am implementing the function, s dot find of ABC. This was a syntax. Okay, yeah, ABC. Now you print the position. What you will get? So you will get, you should get, sorry, yeah, I, not S. You should get the position of first ABC, 0. Getting right? So, yeah. So try to understand. I equal to S dot find. So you came to know 0. Okay. S dot find of first time you got as 0. Next time ABC. Okay. 3 comma 10 I'll do. Means I know the length is 10. Okay. If I take length is 10 or 12, whatever. If I take more, it will be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, whatever. It doesn't matter. We know the logic of length, and it can be length of S. It doesn't matter. Okay. So don't worry about this. You have to worry about how it is traversing this. This is the logic. You understood? It should be substring. It should be length of S, whatever. And here is where the logic lies. So how it is moving. So you know manually, you know now 0, 1, 2. Next third position is pakka like ABC only, the pattern. If I change the pattern it will not work, but I don't do now, you will get confused. You will see while doing the coding directly. Just let us take the positive scenario. 0, 1, 2. Third position is ABC. So you know that like what I'll do is if I do I equal to s dot find ABC of 3, you will get it. ABC of 3 I equal to s dot find ABC I have given, right? Yeah, I equal to s dot find ABC 3 comma whatever what I got, s dot find ABC print, okay, sorry, yeah, print of I. Okay, why I am giving print of s everywhere? Print of I, print of I. Just understand this. I have broken that single program like this. Maybe first two you will struggle, after that you will learn. See here 0, 3. Okay, next time you know. Okay, third position 0, 1, 2, 3 is ABC starting position. 3, 4, 5. Again sixth position is this. You are able to understand this. When you are able to understand, you have to just think logically how I can do that. Means I'm manually counting and doing, but this has to automatically do it. That's all. Now 3 to what should happen? 6. Like 3 to 6 if I do. So now I believe you don't need to worry about the logic of this. It's just a substring, and you need not to worry about logic of this. I can give 100,000 whatever. Even if you give length of length of string, it works. So don't worry about these two things. I believe you understood these two things. These two things are here. Where is that? Substring, and end. You know, we have already done last week also. To get the length, give just length of s. It will work. Just understand how this begin is moving. Okay, so print of I understand, you are understanding, but now I want you only to build that logic. Like next time 6 will go to what? 6 is this, 7, 8, 9. It goes to 9. See here how it is happening. Now you got this. Something like this I want you to do programmatically. That's what I am expecting. If you are able to catch this, how I am getting 3, 6, and if you are able to do this, program is done. Okay, you know find, whenever -1 comes, data is not there. Okay, and find method gives the indexes of first occurrence. You have understood that also, and you know the syntax, substring, start and end. Okay, you know in this this is the only logic you need to understand. You know substring and end, length of something s you give, you get the length, and substring you will hard code ABC. Now only question right now is how this is getting moved, how it is searching that pattern. That is what I am expecting you. So see here, I am trying to help you and explaining you the logic more, so that I equal to 0. First time I equal to 0. Everyone knows string starts with 0. Next time what you are doing, 0 plus 3 you are doing. Okay, just adding it, 0 plus 3. So that means I you are doing plus what you are doing. For this one, what you are doing? Only this you have to catch now. That means you got the program. This you have to catch. This is very important. They ask these same questions also. On small logic. Okay, what I'll do, I will try to code the entire logic and leave that part to you. Seeing the code you will understand the better. Okay, so I try to understand the remaining things also. Like what is there is okay. S equal to ABC, ABC, ABC. Let me take positive now. I don't want you to get confused. ABC, ABC. Okay, ABC, 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 whatever. Okay, we will see this. After that we can change the string or we can give an input from the keyboard. Just understand the logic is the main concern for me. So now next is substring. Okay, sub substring equal to ABC. Okay, so if I'm doing the coding with this, so next what happens? First thing is like okay, I equal to s dot find of. I will not hard code here because it's a programming, so that's why I am given a variable. It is substring. Okay, previously I was giving ABC, now I should not give ABC, it's a programming. Okay, so tomorrow substring can change. So yeah, that is how. If I equal to what, if I equal to negative value means if we don't have the string, if I equal to -1, print string not found. Okay, specified string not found. This you know, specified string not found. Okay, if I equal to -1, specified string not found. Next is while I not equal to -1, use while. When you use while, uh, when there is some conditions, so this is a condition, I am not using for loop. All these things should come to your mind while coding. See here how much strong you should be there. While I not equal to -1, print to get the output like that, let us use that replacement operator like format operator. Present at index, the string present at index. Okay, dot format. Again, what is the thing? A substring I get and I get. We have already seen y substring and y I. Okay, I have to give here this one. Okay. Okay. Then what is error? This one present at index. Okay, why I gave this? Okay, this is enough. Present at index, and why this bracket? Dot format substring. See, you know this substring. I want ABC present at index 0, ABC present at index 3. For this I did. Okay. So next is okay, the main logic. First time why I get is okay, first time if it is not there, if first time it prints the first position, whichever position, not always 0, wherever third is there, if it is not there it just directly prints because I have given that find of this. Next time when you are moving, this moving is where we need the logic. First time 0 or 3, whatever it gets of 3, 5. Second time when it is moving like 0 plus 3, for that is what the logic I need to do, where I not equal to -1, s dot find. So you know for the first one is what? Substring. Last one also you know, length of s or length of s -1, whatever you can give, it doesn't matter. One thing is here, you have to give this logic so it navigates. This logic I am asking you guys. If you get that logic, this is a program of that logic only. Actually, the logics are there. I not equal to -1, I equal to -1. This is easy to understand. This is what, this is also easy. Just you need to know how he is doing. My string is 3. Okay, so if it was 4, what will happen? You manually write 4 here. If it was 10, you manually write 10. How can I know this string? Already actually answer is there in that line only. How can I know this string? So what it has to add? It is I plus what it has to add. How? First time I is 0. I give I plus. What would be this? Anyone can tell me. I am just helping you out to understand the logic. Because simply writing is very easy for me. So I have given I plus.
Length of substring.
Good. That's all. Length of substring. See, if length was ABCD, I would have got 4 here. Manually I am doing counting, but why I can't do manually? I just give length of my substring. If it was ABCD, I would have got 4. Alright, that's what I am doing. What here? I am just counting my substring, that's all. It is 100,000, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for understanding purpose I am manually doing like this is what every developer does. He does not manually directly write this and tells, okay, I got this logic. When you read it, the problem is you directly read this and you will also feel you didn't understand this. Okay, length of sub, okay, sub or substring. Okay, you will also tell you didn't understand. But the logic doesn't lie here at all. The logic lies in navigating, exploring, and trying to build this tabular format, understanding, and first manually doing this a small string. Whether after this will happen, this will happen. So maybe -1 I have to tell, I have to use find function. Later -1 means skip. If it is not -1, then it will come here. First time it prints by default. Next time until I is not -1, what is the syntax of find? String start and end. So substring I give here, and also is a logic, but we have done many times. I hope like you know length of s. So here also it has to do this every time. Obviously it should have, right, it should know from where index to where it has gone. If it is here 6 to 9, it I will already have that 6 to 9, and after that next movement it has to just move length of substring and check whether it is there or not. So let us run this first and understand what will happen. So what is the error in this? While anything I have missed here? What is the error? Format. Okay, did I not close the back bracket, or I have to close the bracket here, not here? I think so. Okay, let us try. Okay, it is not ending only, but ABC presented all the index, what it is showing. Actually logic is working, somewhere it is going to for loop, not ending. Control C, Control D. Why it is not ending? Control D, Control D. Stop. Okay, first let us see the logic that something it has gone. So ABC present. Okay, ABC. Okay, ABC present at -1 should not come actually. Okay, ABC present at 3, ABC present at 6, -12. Okay, ABC present at -1, I equal to not 1. So we should actually not get some of the things why we are getting. Any issue in this logic? SUBS, SUBS. It looks fine only. So why it is going? ABC present at index -1. I have directly put I. Okay, see the mistake. Tell the mistake. I. Okay, I equal correct. Yeah, I equal to -1. Specify string not found. Okay, it has to go to. Okay, if I else. Okay, else is not there. Okay, while else actually it's not required, so I am just trying. So inside else it should go to the while. Will this work? No, it is not working. So only if it is not there, I don't want to do anything. It has to come here, and next I am directly taking the while I not equal to -1 present. The logic is correct actually, but somewhere something is missing. Unidentified does not match any outer indentation 11. Okay, this is fine. The logic actually correct. Something small mistake is there. I will again figure it out. What is that? Anyone can find out? The logic is working. The logic, it's not going to -1. I equal to -1 is correct. But why -1 is coming here? If I equal to -1, I equal to equal to minus 1. If, yeah, I'm not assigning. Okay. So it has to print only if I is not equal to minus 1. This is a problem, like only this I have to skip. Okay, if I not equal to my, it's not getting false. Okay, that is one thing. That's why it is running. I will check it anyhow. But the logic is the similar thing. Just try to understand the logic. Okay, maybe something I missed. Small thing. I'll stop here. So I'll check it anyhow, like why it's not coming. So it has to work. I equal to dot find of substring. If I equal to minus 1, print specify string. Okay, all right. So logic is very important. There is a small any small changes, I will look into it, but this logic whatever we have done is very important. Okay, whatever substring, length of substring, length of minus 1, I equal to minus 1. Actually right now it is not going to minus 1, it is coming here only and taking the minus 1 also. uh, I plus length of substring, length of s, it looks good, doesn't matter, length of, because I don't want to debug in the class, it takes lot of time. Okay, all right. Even in companies the same thing will happen, it will take at least 45 minutes, 1 hour to check and debug. So it's okay, yeah, not a problem. Whenever these things happen, I'll spend some time myself and try to debug it later. So let us continue other questions. All the questions are programming logical in the same way, that I will show, not a problem. So I will check today and give you tomorrow what is an issue. So counting substrings I've already taught you, or okay, counting the substrings, because I have questions on this also. Counting the substrings in the given string. Okay, in the given string. It's just a count function we have to count how many times A is there, how many times B is there. This becomes handy in programming. Like these are all the common things. Maybe see, as a data engineer, most of the things we do this only, counting, grouping and counting, and to know how many times this pattern has come, to understand, or whatever, the indexing, reversing, these things are done, and positioning to get the columns. So these are the common things. So think in a way where we will use. Okay, don't think some string is there, something is there. Okay, I don't use object oriented. That's what I straightforward told. Who does object oriented? Who build the application, like front end application, like using polymorphism, inheritance, the Angular JS. They start building an application front end. For them, they need objects. Okay, so that with the objects only, object oriented, they start creating the application. So we don't create the application and we don't need to learn that. For us this becomes very important, because we deal with lot of string data only. Whatever the file we get will be binary data, text, CSV file, which would be like this only, file formats, and all data will be string. So knowing string in a very strong manner is important, not only in working, even in the interview. So here count function just counts how many times the letter A has come. Okay, so it just counts how many times the letter A has come. If you check, A has come 4 times, that is what it is saying. The same way, if I change the pattern to AB, how many times AB has come? Okay, AB is also 4 times. Okay, you can see the pattern. So count function here is very easy. No one will ask, give me the count function. Count function can also take what? The slicing means from 3 to 7 I need to get. Okay, same thing, as soon as I do, I get 3 to 7, that means 0 1 2 3 3 0 1 2 3, that means from A B 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, till year to year. If you take A is how many times? 2 times it is there. So you can also take this way also. That is what they are trying to say. So now next we have replace functions. Okay, so what is replace function? It replaces the old value with new value. Replace function. So let me directly give you the syntax. Replace old string with new string. Old string to new string. Okay, old string to new string. So yeah, so inside s dot replace, if I do inside s, okay, every occurrences of old string will be replaced by new string. Will be replaced by new string. Okay, let us see a quick examples. Same thing, learning Python. First, let me give learning Python is very difficult, and next I'll replace from difficult to easy. Okay, so s1 dot replace difficult to easy. Difficult to easy. That's all, very simple. It's a self-explanatory. But what is the fun is when doing a programming, it has to come to your mind quickly that okay, now I have to use replace function. Now I have to use find function. Okay, that is where how you will get, not by reading, by what? By practicing. Okay, by practicing and getting the problems. Okay, when you get problem, okay, some error came, so you start trying to spend more time. When you spend more time, you understand more. When you have a problem and you solve, you will be able to do that. So replace Python, learning Python is very difficult, so it has to from difficult to easy. Okay, learning Python is very okay. I am replacing old to new, correct. Print s1. What is this? Why it's not coming? This
It's called
issue.
difficulty spelling.
Okay, okay, okay.
Difficulty.
Let me do that. Okay, learning Python is very easy. Okay, so anyhow, like this is very simple, self-explanatory, just old value with the new value. So one thing is like this is a quick thing, means okay, we have a string, we replace the string. Okay, we are able to replace. Okay, but usually what they say is, yeah, this is a new object. Even if I do, okay, what I want to do is, let me do yes. Okay, will that work? And do yes. This is just for information. Okay, if I do print of s, what will happen? Print of id of s. If I do print of id of s. Oh, okay. Print of id of s. Okay, we got one id only. Okay, yeah, that is fine. Now let us see splitting of strings. All these I'll be using in a program. Like splitting of string means like whenever we are separating one complete string, like yeah, learning Python is very easy. Two different strings, like learning as a single string, Python as single string, like that. So let me show you that. Learning Python is very easy. So here let me use the split function. So L equal to s dot split, because this things become handy when doing the programming, you will understand that, but know the split function. So what it does, it is a single string. Now this is a single string. Now what will happen is this string will become separate, this string will become separate, this string will become separate, so counting and all becomes very easy. Okay, when you are splitting the string, you can do actions on each and every word. Now this is a single thing, so now you can separate and make as a separate word. Okay, so for that, so whenever on everything it has to act, use the for loop for x in, okay, the string, okay, L is there, so you just print of x. So you will see the output. Now it just separates. So now what is the advantage? So you can just count like this. If you have a lot of sentences, you just count how many times learning has come, Python has come, and you can reverse a single word. Okay, so many activities you can do. Doing like this is very difficult, having a single string. So you are separating it. So that's what the split meaning. By default, the split is space. Okay, so if you give here, yeah, by default whenever it say see space, it changes. Now if you are doing like this, it doesn't split to a separate line. Okay, if your data is like this, it doesn't split. Just see here. Next, what I have to do for that, you give here separator as this one, then it works. So it understand I have to split with dash. Okay, so this is how the split function works. You will understand more of the function when you face the problems in the programming. Okay, so joining the strings, we have something called joining, because all these things we will be using in the programming. Whatever separator last time I showed you, end, now replace, find already I showed, we can use find, and how difficult when you are coding. Okay, all these things you have to think very strongly. Maybe now I am explaining, it looks very easy. When you have a problem in the program, like split function becomes very handy. Join function, replace, everything will have its great value. Okay, so when you understand, when you are doing the programs, you will understand that better. Actually, not understanding, when the problem comes, you should know I have to use now join, you should know I have to use split, or else I can't do that activity. That's how you should learn. Okay, joining of strings, see all these things you should practice and you should know. Okay, we can join as the name suggests, we can join a group of strings, we can join a you need not to overthink, just know all these things and try to practice this, have a basic idea of replace this, so you'll strongly understand when the programmings are happening. Okay, a group of strings, list or tuples. I mean to say, you should understand by yourself. Self learning will happen when you are doing programming. I can't explain, I can explain only this much. Okay, in the programming, your mind should understand, okay, now I have to use this, not that, why I have to use all those things with respect to the given separator, separator. So let us take same thing, s equal to separator, separator. Separator means I will show you the example also. Any separator, like I gave dash or space, whatever. So you have something, a group of strings. Join group of strings. Group of strings. Okay. So now this is the syntax. So now let me do a small thing. It again shows as a self-explanatory. Just to understand this. Okay. You have something like Sunny Mahesh, Pal, whatever. Okay. So now next is s equal to, I have to join all those things with a separator. See the syntax. Join all these things with a separator. Which separator I'll use? I want to same dash, and it is a string. String should always go with single or double quotes, whatever it is. And after that, what? Dot join group of string. T is a group of strings. So after that, I'll do print of s. So you are joining with a dash. So before this, we saw how to just before this we saw how to replace, and yeah, this also we saw, right? Just before this, separator, splitting of strings, split function. So where is split function? Yeah, split function we saw. Okay, split function. Let me give you one point because it will help you. Split function, we can split the given string to specified separator. To specified separator is ACPRATOR separator by using split method. By using split method. Okay. So here also if I give the syntax s dot split of separator. S dot, okay, using split method. L equal to, here also split, and inside give separator, SCPERATOR separator, where S denotes the string, where S is the sequence of strings. So know the function. See, in today's world you need not to mug up the syntax. Google is there, but logic and all you have to understand. You are understanding, right? Maybe for interview you can't go Google, but while working today so many things are there, like it's very difficult to keep in our brain. It's not one technology for me actually. Like I worked on multiple things, I Google, I get the syntax, but that's not important. The understanding, just today we did, right, understanding tracing, this doesn't get in logic, because every company has their same challenges, same problems. So you have to, whatever it is, you have to understand the logic. So remaining things, okay, for interview purpose you can learn, but you get in Google. Okay, but that's what I am telling. Being strong in logic becomes very important. There is no other alternative in working in the company. Okay, so know what I am trying to say. Try to understand why I am trying to say. Try to understand, because these are the common problems. Okay, so yeah, even in interview you can't mug all the things, because yeah, the questions they ask is like completely crazy. But don't worry, you learn all the things whatever I am doing, you will definitely get a job. And understand the things, that's what I am trying to say. Understand the things, why you are doing what you are doing. Okay, not only in the whatever we're learning Python, in a overall, why you are learning this, you need a job, why I have to learn this only, my friends are learning something, why I have to learn this only. All those things, question yourself only. When you start questioning yourself, you get the answer. You don't need any person today. When we started the career, only seniors were the Google and guidance. Today Google is there, a lot of people are there. But today problem, I have already told, lot of information can mislead you. Okay, so you need to just pick up the important things in today's world, because you get lot of information, it will lose the track. Be smart enough to pick what is important. Okay, so yeah, this one I just gave a join thing. So join also, we can join the, okay, so again next one, changing case of a string. Okay, so all these are simple. Okay, but I am giving this because there will be programs on all these things, not only on the join, not only on this. It's mixed of for, while, join, so many things it will come in a single program. So if I, in the program, if I start teaching you join, you will get confused. So also it is a good thing. So today you can go home and learn all those things. So when we start doing more programs tomorrow also, so you are very confident with separator, joins, replace, all these things. Okay, again what I am doing now, changing case conversion. So this is very simple. Okay, this is very simple. So I need to change from upper to lower. Already I have used at the beginning swapping and giving the capital letter, first letter as the capital. So all these are simple thing. Okay, so yeah, changing case conversion. But there is an interview question on this also. But they will not ask you in interview, your string is small, make it capital. Your string is capital, make it small. Your string first letter, make it capital. That is what right now I am teaching you. Okay, right now I'll just give you the function like upper function. Okay, we have change case of strings. Okay, so what I do is I'll just quickly give this. So upper function, you know this, converts to upper. Lower function converts to lower. Okay, so need a point, quick point, converts to upper, converts to upper, converts to lower, converts to lower. Okay, converts to upper, converts to lower. Swap case will do what? Whatever capital is there, it makes to small. We will see this example. Okay, same thing, converts all lowercase character to uppercase and uppercase character to lowercase. See, I am giving these points because I see some people communications are in Hindi. I don't want to think people know everything. I am going so that at least if you get confused, I have small quick notes so you can refer it quickly. Okay, not every my recording you will understand. Some notes are important, and these sections what I am doing on the string, these sections are important. Okay, so I'm just working out on important topics, that's all, and spending more time, so I don't mind. Okay, I'm not concentrating on the unimportant things. Okay, it's okay in the company, one or two times you get a problem, you google it, that much smartness you should be there, but mainly on the interview and working side what is important. So yeah, quick notes will also help you. Converts all lower case character to uppercase and uppercase characters to lowercase. Okay, next is like title, to convert all character to, that is first character in every word should be upper, like title function is there. Convert means, yeah, what to say, same thing, convert first character in every word to upper. It converts first character of every word to upper, and remaining will be and remaining character should be in lowercase, that becomes title. Remaining will be lowercase. Okay, and capitalize is there. One more thing, CAPT CAPITALIZ, capitalize. I am giving this also not because this is difficult, just because I'll be using this in programming. Okay, so then you should not have any doubts in this, so that you can only think on the logic. Okay, only first character will be converted to uppercase, we also call it as camel casing, but yeah, it's okay, only first character will be converted to uppercase. Okay, so a quick example on all these things. Okay, yes, equal to learning Python is very easy. Learning Python. Okay, so print of yes dot upper, same way we'll try to do all the things so you can see the output quickly. So it's a self-explanatory again, I don't want to spend too much time in explaining, there is nothing to explain, that's why. So swap case is there, see already you get the functions and all. SWC here, it came by itself, that's the advantage of the IDE. Okay, title TITLE. Also we have capitalize. Okay, so let me just it is self-explanatory, upper has converted all to upper, lower has converted to lower. Swap case, everything was small, so it has converted to capital. You can test different scenarios. Title, first alphabet of the word is capital. Capitalize will make only the first letter to the capital. That is how these functions work. Okay, so again, one more important thing which we use in the programs, like how to check what string has started with, what string has ended with. So Python beautifully has some of the methods to do this, like start with function, end with function. So checking starting and ending part of the string, checking starting and ending part of the string. Okay, Python contains following methods for this purpose. That is start, that is string dot starts with. This commonly we use to check starts with. For many of the time, I could have also used, instead of relational operator, I greater or equal to 0, or sometimes I don't want something to start with. I starts with yeah, substring. Okay, and ends with substring. Okay, to s dot ends with. So these are very handy function. Ends with, starts with, okay, end with, or yeah, ends with, not end with, ends with substring. So let us see the example. So I don't want to stretch on this, just we will see the example, you will understand. So I'll just give print s starts with, s is a string, okay, and I'll just do starts is, here only I'll get s t e, yeah, starts with, okay, maybe whether it is starting with which letter, learning, yeah, okay, bracket. True, it gives a boolean value. Now I'll give start with some other thing. Python, I will give Python. So what will happen? False, because it's starting with this. Now let us go with the ends with. So it is ending with learning, no, ending with Python, no. So if I do it easy, it has to be true. It's a simple thing to just know whether it starts with and ends with what. Okay, but very handy, used many times in programming, and it's very favorite from all the people. So again, like there are, like, to check the type of character present in the string. Okay, these are self-explanatory. So quickly let us go. Okay, so that for tomorrow, the on this there will be programming, which again I'll give you to do by yourself some of the things. So at least you should know the thinking process. Okay, I will give you a mixed data. For example, now, okay, I will give you alpha. There are some functions. Let me complete this to check the type of character present in a string. To check the type of character present in the string, that means same thing, the Python contains some methods, like is alpha, whether if it is alphabet, is alpha numeric function. So returns true if all characters are alphanumeric. Okay, returns true if all characters are alphanumeric. That means what? A to Z, capital A to Z, and also 0 to, yeah, digits. It is 0 to whatever you can take. It's not 9, it's a digit, that's all. Is alpha. Alpha means alphabets. A-L, A-L-P-H-A. So what does returns true if all the characters are only alphabets? Okay. Returns true if all the characters or only alphabets. Okay, that means A to Z means capital and small. Okay, each digit means only digits is there. I'll just copy paste there, but let me give what are the things we have. Also we have these functions, lower function is upper function, some more functions is title function, so true if it is title case, you know already what is title, and is space function, whether you have space or not. Okay, so returns true if all the characters are digits. Okay, all the characters are only digits, that is what 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. Next is lowercase, uppercase alphabet, title case, space. I think you can understand this. Okay, so I want you, okay, one good question for as an assignment also. So you have a lot of assignment I know, but I thought of showing myself. It is a easy thing only. Uh, uh, give take give examples. So simple. Give example for all the above. Whatever. Give example for all the above functions. Okay, so you have all this function is alpha, is numeric, is digit, is upper, is lower, all those things. For this, give me an example for all these functions. So I thought of showing, I don't want to show, and there is one program also, like you have to take an input from the customer or a keyboard, like any string you will take, and you have to segregate that. Okay, this is one question. This is one question. Second question is, yeah, what to give? Yeah, take an input. Take an input from the. I think this is easy. Okay, I would expect you to do now only. Take an input from the, because you already have a lot of assignments. Take an input from the keyboard. First one you go home and do. Second one you do now. Take the input from the keyboard. Okay, take the input from the keyboard and segregate the data uh, based on alphabets, digits, spaces. Okay, alphabets, digits, spaces, and in alphabets also segregate as upper or lower. Upper, lower. Okay, if it is an alphabet, you should have some if else. For example, if you find it is a alphabet, upper and lower, or else it is a digit, like that. Yeah, I think that is enough. A small thing, or space is there, or special character like spaces and special character. This is actually easy. Okay, so just you have to use this function. If you have taken a data like this, like ABC, ABC, whatever, or this AB or learning Python, I'll take learning Python is very easy. 1, 2, 3. So it has all the thing. Okay, so it has spaces, it has capital. Just take this, that's all. I want alphabets you take. In alphabets you say it is upper or lower. Okay, take alphabets, say upper or lower. Whatever upper you display, whatever lower you display. If it is not upper or lower, it will be digits, or it can be space. or any special character. So I think if you start using if else, elif function, all those things you will be getting. Just quickly try to do. You know this. This does not require any logic. Just quickly do. I'll also take 10 minutes break. You can also like by that time try to what to say. Just do this. Just use this function. Something like if I want to start s equal to input, enter any character. This is given to the customer. Do we have any function for special characters to identify? So special characters, as per I know, e space is there. Non-space, good question actually. Even I have special character. It doesn't, is not there. Then try to put in else. That's all. If that is not there, Python function to identify special character. Function to how to find the special character in the, firstly group all the special character, then use the for loop if statement, check. Same thing. So what you do in the else, that's all. So if it is not this one, just try to put in the else, that's all. Each numeric is there, each digit is there. I want to check the special character in a string. The knowledge non-build is each numeric is there, each digit is there. So check any character not being alphanumeric is alpha, for is in my string. Okay, if any see in this print s, try to put in else, that's all. Okay, so try to capture everything. If not everything, then put into the last else, so that it would be what, pakka special character. Try to check everything, whether first you try to check whether if it is if is alphanumeric first. Alphanumeric means not special character. Okay, so you will get only what is alphanumeric. You will get only what, alphabets and digit. Okay, next actually in alphanumeric only you should have one more if, because alphanumeric will have what, alphabets, and in alphabets what will be having. Okay, here you will have some print. Yes, it is alphanumeric. I am just giving the code skeleton also, so that you don't go to the wrong track. Inside this if, because alphanumeric can be segregated to alphabets and numeric, and in alphabets only what you have, two kind of alphabets, upper and lower. So inside this only you can do, if it is lower, here you print yes it is alphanumeric. Okay, next what you can do again, okay, inside this only you can give if, nested if s is lower, print something. Why? Because for one we have so many scenarios, print. After that else what, next if it is come to this, have else and try to print digit. So it is also helping you to know a nested. See, again I am telling, don't go with the logic, just understand what are the function is there. Okay, Sarya's told all first, okay, any function, forget about s of input. Okay, whatever you give some data, forget about alphanumeric now. Any alphanumeric means what, Mahesh, hello, 1 2 3. So this is a alphanumeric, alphabet and numeric. So one data will have so many scenarios. It has alphanumeric means digits and alphabets. So that can be split into only alphabets, and only alphabets come also, that can be into lower and upper, and next there can be digit given else. So try to understand this logic first. Alphabets what will be there, lower, see, are you understanding? It's all about thinking process. It's all about thinking. You are learning good, but first think, after that it is easy. This same logic can be written in Java, Scala, R or whatever. The logic becomes very important, and usage of function. So right now, why I am doing inside one if, first time I got like this string. Okay, so this is single scenario, only with alphanumeric I have this string. So now I will take alphabets. In the next scenario, this is taken. Okay, next scenario, if in lower, only lower alphabets are taken. Okay, so understand the thought process. It's all about thinking. Hello, I will make it as capital. I will not go with the different crazy scenarios. So means what I am trying to do is I am helping you to think, that's all. Only with thinking you will be able to solve the programming, because for tomorrow class it's the highest, because lot of programs I'll be doing maybe tomorrow, next week. It is just the beginning. Okay, you just saw this index find function, how you are thinking. See, it's such a small, this small thinking was so much thinking. Okay, this small stuff was so much we thought. Means first you think, that's all. Don't concentrate on what it is written. First you think on the question what we require. This is simple to understand. Okay, alphanumeric. What is alphanumeric? That's what I have given here. Where is that? Yeah, is alpha returns true if all characters are alphabet, that is A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9. Okay, that means if someone enters like this, we will have three scenarios. Three scenarios means it has to come inside this and clear all the scenario. Next, if it is not there, something spaces is there. Okay, let us come in the outer thing. Okay, they are also telling special character how to do. Maybe I will use elif. Okay, for spaces. Okay, I am just helping you to understand. I have only given all the answer actually. Maybe in elif I will complete all the scenario of alphabets, upper, lower, digit, everything inside this only. Next in the main elf I'll come for the spaces. Okay, if it is not spaces, okay, sir has told there is no function for special character. Let us give it the else. If nothing is scenario is working, give it the else for special character. I think now you should be able to do, everyone. First think. Without thinking, why I have written inside if, because this one scenario gives me three scenarios. This one alphanumeric can be broken into three scenarios. Alphabets can be broken into capital and small. Then digits are there. It can go to the else part, else digit. Then okay, with alphanumeric it happened. Or else alphanumeric is not there, spaces is there. Spaces will come in else, elif. We know multiple thing. Special character else. Okay. This is a way, not only this programming, all programming has to be think by writing, but seeing the question a lot depth, understanding every word in the logic, every word in the sentence. That is how the coder does. See, coders will ask more questions. The requirement collection, that is called requirement collection. Why we need, what we have to get. See here one of the example. I will show you. See, I have one file like this. Okay, this is completely a raw file. So I have lot of questions to ask. That is again a string data. That string data actually I don't want to show. I should not show because it's a recording classes and all. Okay, it's okay. All right. So yeah, we usually do like that only. Raw file will be there like that. The main challenge is to get into a structure. Okay, all right. So that's why you should understand why we are concentrating on this. This becomes very handy while working in the organization. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes time. I'm keep on speaking. Let me take a break for my mouth also. Just try to do this. I've given the logic. I'll give you 10 minutes to explain
Sir,
it.
just I'm asking about the output. What should be that like it is in single line or each what we can say that each type of characters should be in below each one below line by line. How we can need to print it
So
in a
you
single
will
line or
print, yeah, you will print any character, okay, and you will try to enter a character A. It will tell
Mhm.
alphanumeric character and lowercase alphabet character. Something. First, see, you will print here alphanumeric character. Okay, for example, first string it is alphanumeric. So print alphanumeric character, and Inside alphanumeric capital, whether it is alphabet. So obviously, if it is an alphabet, print it is an alphabet. It is an alphabet. And in that, whether it is lower or upper. If it is a lower, print. I will show you the output. Wait for one. Print. It is lower. That means if I print a letter A, I should get three print statement. One is print it is alphanumeric. Okay. Whatever you it's for your choice. I can't give you what should be the print and all. And obviously it will enter this also. Forget about this. Go with the logic. Okay, alphanumeric. A is alphanumeric. First it enters here. Inside this, if it is there, obviously it will enter here also. It will should print this also. Do reverse engineering, like sir has given the output. If he is given the output, what is expecting? See the code now. Okay, alphanumeric, it enters inside loop. Yeah, it is an alphabet. In alphabet it has two things. If it is capital A, it goes to one more what to say, one more if, or if it is a small thing, it comes here and print lower. So if it is a small a, it prints like this. If it is a digit, maybe it will only print it is a digit. Okay, for character, why I am getting 3? Because I have 3 inside nested if. Okay, so got that right? Simple expectation, that's all. See, if it is a digit, it goes to the else part. If it is 1, 2, 3, it directly prints it is a digit, that's all. Because it goes to the else, it is not alphanumeric, so it just prints it is a digit. When it is alphanumeric, you have three scenarios. It goes inside, checks this, checks this. Even if it is a small a, it obviously it satisfies three condition. It is a alphanumeric, yes. It is an alphabet, yes. It is lower, yes. If it was capital, also it was alphanumeric. It is alphabet, yes. Then it would have been upper. But if it is a digit, it's not a alphanumeric. Directly comes to the else. It gives a digit. For remaining, I think like it is a single thing. Got it right? This is what I am expecting. That's why everyone asks me the question requirement. When you understand the requirement, it's easy. It's a way to do the coding. That's all. So again, telling don't dishearten. Even the people, many people struggle coding because coding becomes difficult because it is directly connected with the logic. Okay, it's all about logic. Logic is not only with hard work. Hard work, you throw the stone or get a big stone, go to gym, you can put effort, but this requires the mind game. So only by hard work sitting for 12 hours mind will not go. You should have a calm mindset and a regular everyday consistency. So practice, you didn't got today, tomorrow you see, third day that becomes hard work. So you might require 10 or 15 practice, some people require 1 or 2 practice. Now start doing. I have given you a lot of information. I'll also take any of we are ending the class after this. Okay, do it. I'll be back at 10 minutes. By that time you complete this. Okay, is it done? Okay, is it done? Okay, alright, so I'll show you guys this quickly. I'll complete this. Just try to understand the way we build. Okay, so s equal to input, enter any character. If s dot is alphanumeric, print alphanumeric character. 1 minute, I am getting a call. Hello? No, I am. Can you call me after an hour? I am outside. So, okay. If s dot is alpha alpha method print same thing. So print what alphabet character alphabet alphabet character. If is lower, print lowercase alphabet, lowercase whatever, lowercase alphabets. Else print so yeah, I can print here. Okay, else for this. Okay, else print. Just know, observe where the casing is happening, where else is written. Okay, so this helps you to understand the things better. Next, one more else, not here, where I am putting. Okay, okay, else. Okay, else print digit. It is a digit. Okay, or elif. Elif is space. Okay, print what? It is a space. Print it is a space, else print non-special character, non-space, yeah, special character, whatever, special character. Okay, so this is a function. Now you guys try all the variation. Okay, and let me know like you are able to get it, understand it. Okay, because this is important for other things, because I'll also be using in other programming this alphanumeric and all. Here you are learning all the functions and also how this if and all nested if works, for how the reaction. This makes you to understand in a more easy, because you know alphabet alphanumeric. When you are able to understand all this if else how it is happening, so you are understanding this if else in a strong way. Okay, so I'll be sending this. I'll stopping the class here. Okay, so Please do the assignments. You know, like how important the assignments are. It is already told. And understand this. Forget about understanding the syntax, everything. Just understand the logics. These things, to be frank, even the super developer will check in Google. But logics are where you don't understand even if you see the Google. So understanding logic is mostly like, you know, right? So you have to know the process like this, the procedure and all. So be strong in this, and also the assignments, do it. Now you will understand the assignment better, because those are also there with the string only, like reversing all those things. Okay, so know that everything is important. Don't only do for a job, and don't only do for clearing interview. Go upper than that, loving that subject, then nothing will be pain. That's what I am trying to say from the class. Just learn for enjoying. Okay, even people enjoy doing code. Okay, and with money you will get. Okay, sometime I feel like in company I am learning new thing, and sometimes I feel, oh okay, I am also getting money and I am enjoying learning. Then you will enjoy the life. In life, anything something you have to enjoy and do and earn money with that. That's life. Okay. Okay, any questions in today's class? I'll end the session so that we can meet up tomorrow at the same time, 3 p.m. Okay.
So,
Okay. Yeah.
okay, sir.
Thank you.